Hi everyone, welcome back. This is just a quick video to update you on the inactive listings feature. Apparently Poshmark has now paused it because there were bugs, which makes sense. You know what? You can try something out with a beta group of 1,000 people and things could be running just fine, but when you bring it out to a bigger group, you're going to end up with bugs and glitches. So they apparently have now paused it, which is good. They can work all that out. That means that hopefully when they bring it out or roll it out slowly, the inactive listings are actually inactive listings. What does that mean? It means a listing that is over 60 days old, that has not had commenting, bundling, offers sent, or editing done. That's the four main things they talked about. They didn't say anything about likes. So if somebody likes your item, I'm going to say if somebody likes your item, chances are you're sending out an offer, so that means it's not going to be inactive. And they did say that sharing has no meaning whatsoever in this feature. So you can share all your closet all you want. It's not going to make a difference with an inactive listing. Fine. I think they brought it out for a couple of reasons. Number one, Poshmark does like people on the app being busy, doing things on the app. They've said this over and over and over again. They want us to spend more time in the app. They want us to be doing things. They want us to be active. So this is just another way for sellers to be active on the app besides just sharing. It's also a way for buyers not to buy things from inactive sellers, because when you have an inactive listing, it is still visible and you can still have somebody buy it. So it's still there. It does show up in search, but it shows up much lower in the search, which is good. That means buyers aren't buying things from inactive sellers. So if you're not really you put a couple of things on Poshmark and you sort of list them and forget them, yes, people can still buy them, but you know what? They're not going to show up really far up in the search. So chances of a buyer sort of being screwed around by not getting the item they want, this is a good way to sort of weed out those inactive sellers. So I'm not against this feature. I think it's a really good feature. How do you make sure that your listings stay active, or how do you reactivate them? Reactivating, apparently they're coming out with a bulk tool that you can do if you have a bunch of inactive listings, where it's a bulk tool to reactivate. Otherwise, if you edit your listing, so you go in and I don't know if you can just go edit, next, and list. Don't know if that'll work, or if you actually have to make a change in the title, in the description, like actually change something up. I'm not 100% sure yet. When I relist things, I focus on over 90 days right now because I fell behind, so I have some things that I need to relist. I tend to maybe switch the title around a little bit, maybe change the photo, or change something in the style tags or in the description. That's just part of what I do with relisting. Don't know if you actually have to go that far, if you can just go edit and relist. Not 100% sure, but that'll help your item stay active. When they brought this out a couple of days ago, I don't think I got the feature because I had no inactive. Like, I didn't get an email. I didn't have anything on my listings saying inactive. And I think I do have a few listings. I have listings that I don't bother with anymore. They have a little blue diamond on them because they're sort of that, okay, this is the last chance sale on these items. If you want them, buy them type of thing. So I'm not spending the time on them. A lot of these I am going to be pulling and selling at the flea market because I just don't want to sell them for $5 on Poshmark. You know, I'd rather sell them for $5 at the flea market because then I get $5. You know what I mean? So those listings, I would assume a lot of them will become inactive. And honestly, if they do get that little logo on them saying inactive, which only I see, buyers don't see it as far as I know, I'll go in and I will edit them and make sure that they're still active. I wouldn't necessarily relist them so that they become a new listing. I might just go in and edit really quickly, and that way it will be an active listing. So this is not something that Poshmark is doing to punish people. They are not deactivating your listings. An inactive listing is still visible and still being able to be purchased. It just is lower in the search as far as I understand it. Super easy to go in and activate it again. And you know what? I do this anyway. I try to relist after every 61 days anyway. Like I said, I am on 90 days because I did fall behind, but I do go in and do this on a regular basis. I think it keeps my closet fresh. It keeps my listings fresh. And honestly, when I relist an older item, it tends to sell a little bit faster. So I think it's a really good thing. Anyway, that is just really quickly saying what's going on. And yes, apparently they have paused it. So hopefully nobody else has it right now and they get the bugs fixed out and everything will be fine. But that's it. I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend. We are thinking we're going to do the flea market tomorrow, but we're watching the weather because we're expecting thunderstorms. I don't want to be out in a thunderstorm. So we'll see what happens. I'm not 100% sure yet what we're doing. So I can't really make my plans until later. And that's okay. It is Mother's Day weekend. And I'm going to take Sunday and just relax. Anyway, that is it for today. I hope everybody has a great weekend. And I'll see you next time. Bye.